Welcome, dear viewers. Today we're diving into a topic that's both ancient and cutting edge, both philosophical and technological: immortality. No, we're not talking about vampires or magical elixirs, but rather the very real and rapidly evolving concept of digital immortality. Strap in as we explore how the digital age is reshaping our dreams of living forever, and why this is something sociologists are just starting to seriously study. Introduction: Immortality in the digital age. Picture this. You're Nathan Brown, a young man who just had a severe car accident. As you lie in a hospital bed, your girlfriend pressures you to make a decision. Should you upload your consciousness to the digital afterlife? This scenario, straight out of the Amazon series Upload, Daniels 2020, might seem like pure science fiction, but it raises some profound questions about our digital future. In 2033, Nathan decides to upload his mind, ensuring that his consciousness survives even as his body dies. He finds himself in a luxurious digital heaven until his girlfriend stops paying for his account. Suddenly, Nathan is downgraded to a low-budget version of the afterlife where his data runs out, leaving him frozen until the next monthly top-up. This quirky yet poignant scenario highlights the potential and pitfalls of digital immortality, a concept that's capturing both popular and academic interest. The sociology of immortality, a new frontier. Immortality has fascinated humans for millennia. From the Epic of Gilgamesh to today's cutting-edge technologies, the idea of living forever has been a cornerstone of our cultural and religious narratives. However, unlike the well-established field of death studies, the sociology of immortality is still in its infancy. This blog post and accompanying video is about to change that. Drawing inspiration from Wright Mills' sociological imagination, 1959, we propose a new concept: the immortological imagination. This term is our analytical tool to understand and explore the sociology of immortality. We see it as a complement to the thanatological imagination, which focuses on death and mortality. While thanatology deals with the impact of others' deaths on the living, the immortological imagination centers on the individual's experience and hope of becoming a future immortal. Immortality, a timeless pursuit. Let's take a step back and look at the historical context. Immortality has been a subject of fascination since ancient times. Over the centuries, it has been explored through religion, philosophy, and more recently, science and technology. Despite this long history, immortality has not yet become a distinct academic field. In the digital era, immortality is undergoing a transformation. It has become secular, privatized, and commodified, gaining new forms and dimensions through technology. From cryonics to longevity clinics, from AI-driven digital avatars to the burgeoning digital afterlife industry, immortality is no longer just a dream, but a burgeoning market. The sociological imagination and death. To understand immortality sociologically, we first need to revisit Wright Mills' sociological imagination. Mills argued that sociology should connect individual experiences with larger social forces. Death, as a universal experience, is a prime candidate for such analysis. Deborah Penfold-Mounts extended Mills's idea to the realm of death with her concept of the thanatological imagination. This concept helps us explore how death is represented and consumed in popular culture, from zombie movies to the posthumous careers of celebrities. By engaging with these morbid spaces, individuals can confront mortality in a more digestible form, from thanatological to immortological imagination. So, what happens when we shift our focus from death to immortality? Enter the immortological imagination. Unlike the thanatological imagination, which deals with the death of others, the immortological imagination focuses on the individual's quest for eternal life. It's about envisioning oneself as a future undead, a digital or symbolic presence that endures after biological death. The shift in perspective opens up new questions. How do we ensure our digital selves live on? What rights and responsibilities will these digital immortals have? How will they interact with the living? These questions are not just theoretical. They have practical, ethical, and legal implications in our increasingly digital world. Digital immortality in popular culture. Popular culture is already teeming with examples of the immortological imagination. From Hollywood films like Transcendence, Faster 2014, to TV shows like Black Mirror, Brooker 2013, and Upload. These narratives explore the possibilities and perils of digital immortality. They reflect our hopes, fears, and ethical dilemmas about living forever in a digital form. These stories influence public awareness and shape the goals of developers working on digital immortality technologies. For instance, the platform Eternity.me was inspired by the TV show Black Mirror and the novel Goodbye for Now, Frankel 2012. In South Korea, a mother used virtual reality to meet her deceased daughter, a scenario reminiscent of Steven Spielberg's AI Artificial Intelligence, 2001. The ethics and legalities of digital immortality. As we explore these futuristic possibilities, ethical and legal questions arise. What happens to our digital footprints after we die? Who controls our digital legacy? Scholars like Adina Harbinja advocate for post-mortem privacy rights, while others explore the privacy paradox, the gap between our desire for privacy and our actual online behavior. The immortological imagination also raises issues of social stratification. Who gets to live forever? Access to digital immortality may become another marker of inequality, with only the wealthy able to afford the best digital afterlives. This raises critical questions about justice and equity in our digital futures. Conclusion: embracing the immortological imagination. In conclusion, the concept of the immortological imagination offers a fresh lens through which to explore the sociology of immortality. It encourages us to think sociologically about our desires for eternal life and the technologies that promise to fulfill these dreams. By examining the intersections of culture, technology, and mortality, we can better understand the profound implications of digital immortality for individuals and societies. So next time you watch a show like Upload or read about the latest advances in AI, remember that these stories are not just entertainment. They are part of a larger, ongoing conversation about what it means to live forever in the digital age. Thank you for joining us on this intellectual journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep imagining the future, because it's already here. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI-powered antics, go ahead and smash that subscribe button like it's an outdated CAPTCHA. Until next time, keep your algorithms error-free and your coffee strong.